beth wyt ti'n hoff o wneud ar-lein?
Dwi'n hoffi gwylio YouTube achos mae'n doniol. Dwi'n hoffi gwylio YouTube achos mae'n hwyl a ffantastig.
What are some of the good things about the internet then?
You can explore different things like computer games and other websites. I probably like watching Netflix and going on games. YouTube.
YouTube as well, that's very popular.
Bingo because it has math games and things to play in.
Is it fun?
Yeah.
There's lots of good maths games out there, isn't there? And I bet you're really good at maths now, are you?
Yeah.
What does being online mean to you?
Being online, having fun and chatting with people, and also looking at videos that can help you in your life.
How does it make you feel when you're online?
It makes me feel like all happy and like when I'm online I forget about everything else, just the thing I'm watching, and it's a new world.
Because there's lots of fun things we can do online, isn't there?
Yeah.
But we've got to keep ourselves safe. Is life different online to the real world?
Yes.
How is it different?
Because online you can't see that person, but in real life you can.
Is it okay to talk to your friends online?
Yeah.
Yes.
Strangers?
No.
What about friends of friends? Can you talk to those?
If you know them, yeah, but if you don't know them, no.
Oh yeah, if you know them. But if you know them, they'd be your friend, wouldn't they?
Yeah.
Would you speak to somebody online who you didn't know?
No.
If you meet them in real life, they can act all nice in real life, but then online they can be like a different type of person.
And you have to be aware of the people who see it, and you have to be aware of the consequences.
They could be like secretly like asking you questions but you don't know, and then like you could be giving out all your details and stuff.
Oh, your details. Does that mean your personal details?
Yes.
So dwyt ti'n teimlo pan fydde di'n mynd ar-lein?
Dwi'n teimlo'n da achos dwi'n mynd ar software diogel.
Dwi'n teimlo'n ddiogel achos dwi'n defnyddio ad blocker.
Do you feel safe online?
Yes.
Always?
No.
Not always.
Have you ever been worried online? No. No? Never? How about you?
No.
Never been worried? Never? That's good. How about yourself?
No, because I go in safe apps.
When I watch the news and they say hackers found a new way to hack accounts.
Oh, right, okay. Because they could be taking personal
Information.
What do you think is personal information?
Your age,
Age?
name,
Name? Good. Anything else?
email, password.
Oh, your password. Should you give your password to anyone?
Nope.
Oes rhywbeth wedi mynd o'r le ar-lein erioed?
Oes, achos dwi'n wedi cael virus.
Has anything ever gone wrong online that you've heard of? Oh, what have you? What's happened?
I've been hacked twice on my PS.
Really? So what happened?
I don't know why. I tried logging in, and then they said you have to update your password, but then it wouldn't let us update it, and then someone changed the password basically.
So somebody had changed your password?
Yeah.
Was it a strong password?
No.
How can you have a strong password? What kind of things can you do? What do you think?
I think using letters, numbers, and emojis.
So if somebody asked to meet you online, what would you do?
I'd go tell my parents, and if they sent me a bad message, I would keep it as proof for the police.
Oh, right, so it become evidence?
Yeah.
Oh, brilliant. What else could you do then?
Yeah, I could report them and block them and unfriend them.
Oh, wow. There's 3 good things there, I think.
Go tell your mum, then let her decide, because now the decision isn't for you, it's for your mum.
And what kind of things can we do to keep ourselves safe online?
Not give out too much information.
Don't go like adult games. You probably don't know what happened. Might be swear word.
You gotta go on like kids' websites.
Are you on social media?
No.
No.
My mum doesn't let me.
Do you think you're too young to be on social media?
So if I was on stuff, I don't want people I don't know to be adding me.
What can keep your friends and yourself safe online?
We could go in safe apps and change our password every 6 months.
of being
If you
safe.
see someone or someone does something to you or says something, just tell an adult. Don't delete it before you tell an adult. You've got to leave it and then tell the adults, and then you can delete it if they want to.
You said that's a really good answer.
Don't give too much information to strangers.
Brilliant. Really good answer, isn't it? That was a good answer. What would you say to them? What would be your advice to them?
Keep calm and be safe.
Keep calm and be safe. Give a thumbs up to that one.